Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to enable two-step verification for Google account in PC or laptop. If you're using any PC or any laptop and then you want to enable two-step verification for your Google account, so let's see how you can do that. You just have to simply open your browser and here just select your account for which you want to add or enable the two-factor authentication. So let's say I'm going to select this one. And here just click on your profile photo or your Google account here and click on manage your Google account, and on this page you just have to select security and sign in option. Just click on this, and here just scroll down and you must see the option of two-step verification. Just click on this option and you might have to enter your account password to continue. So let's say I'm gonna enter my one here.